love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to.
Leo, this is a Leo reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? Uulitin ko, I'm Kai. I'm your intuitive love reader. Kaya yung nagsasabi na bakit ako nagbabasa ng love, wala naman daw love life. Again, this is a love reading. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ng personal reading about career or family, just send me a message. Alright? Okay, Leo. Right now, you feel so like may situation sa life mo that you feel so defeated. Parang nag-invest ka sa isang business or love na parang later mo na-realize na parang hindi naman okay or hindi ito talaga yung gusto mo. Nagkaroon ng rush decision, masyadong namadali. Okay? And I feel, masyadong naging mabilis yung investment, love or business na nagre-require na malaking investment sa'yo. Okay? Tapos parang nag-step ba ka na parang, oh, wait lang. Okay? Parang ready ka ba talaga sa ganito kalaking investment or commitment? May kasamang kontrata. It's like, mga business or may kasal? Nagmamadali ka bang ikasal? Bigla kang umatras na parang, tama ba? Parang, ipaglalaban mo pa ba tong love connection na to? Parang naiipit ka kasi parang nagkaroon na ng mga promises and you're overthinking this. Alright? And it's like na parang gusto mo ulit ng new beginning at mag-focus na lang sa work. Right now, you're trying to avoid conflict. Alam mo na nagkaroon ng rush decision. So, gusto mo munang like ihinto. Gusto mo munang mag-isip. Kung business or love to na hindi masyadong napag-isipan in the past, gusto mo munang mag-isip right now. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng like reconnection with your partner, business or love, pero parang hindi ka ready for this. Okay? A very passionate connection, nagkakaroon ng linaw, very passionate connection or something you're very passionate about. Nagkakaroon naman ng pag-uusap, but parang wala pang masyadong linaw. And parang nararamdaman mo na parang hindi mo talaga to gusto or hindi mo kayang mag-commit 100% dito right now. Let's see, ano to. Pero parang you're trying to reconnect pa rin naman or hindi mo pa rin naman totally binibitiwan itong contract na to of business or love. Let's see. So, the reason for the reading, Leo, may nai-involve ba na nagkakaroon ba ng trust issues sa relationship na to? I see a third party energy here, like a love interest or talagang nagkaroon ng like passionate or love connection. At iniisip nyong pag-usapan, one or both of you iniisip na pag-usapan to at kailangan nyo talaga tong pag-usapan. Okay? In the past, you try to move forward kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mo in the past. At I feel nagkaroon din ng travel, okay? Marami kang pinagpe-pray, Leo, na nalulungkot ka. Maraming na-reveal sa'yo, marami kang na-discover, marami kang like realization in the past. Nitong recent past, like last month, okay, na nagdala ng sadness at disappointment sa'yo. You try to talk to your person, pero parang nagkakaroon ng disagreements, heartbreak, and disappointment. Leo, this is your energy. Napaka, hindi mo alam. Okay? There's a very uncertain energy here. Tama pa ba itong pinapasok mo na kontrata, partnership? But I don't feel naman na tapos, nasa limbo siya. Tower in reverse. Pero parang ayaw mo, hindi ka ready tanggapin itong connection na to. Yung person mo, sabi niya is bakit ganon? Na-hurt yung person mo, yung ka-deal mo dito, yung partner mo, business or love. Bakit daw binabawi mo yung mga offer na napag-uusapan? Your person feels defeated at nagkakaroon ng overthinking. ang dami mong doubt right now kasi sabi mo is kung ano itong binibuild mo, business or love, parang hindi mo makita yung wish fulfillment mo dito. Parang kung business to, may mga naiisip ka pang ibang negosyo na mas gusto mo. Kung love to, may naiisip kang mas gusto mo or hindi mo pa nakikita na maging husband or wife material tong person na kasama mo right now. Kaya ayaw mong hindi ka ready to move this connection forward, alright? In the next 3 months, I feel, ingat Leo, do not make any rush decision, mag-ingat because maaari kang makagawa ng maling decision kapag hindi masyadong napag-isipan na magulat ka na lang na parang shocks. Dapat pala nagdahan-dahan ka in making a decision. Lahat naman ng kaya mong pakikisama gagawin mo. You're trying to manifest yung wisdom na kailangan mo para sa situation. Gusto mo maging happy, pero hindi mo mahanap yung fulfillment at happiness dun sa binibuild mo right now. Hinahanap mo yung wisdom, nahihirapan ka. Okay? And I feel yung outcome nito is hindi mo pa rin naman totally malalet go tong something na binibuild mo. Nandyan pa rin, nasa limbo, hanging. Meron ka bang kailangang iwanan? Okay? Kasi there's the positive transformation card is in reverse. Baka naman meron kang kailangang tapusin na kontrata in the past. Meron kailangan divorce, annulment na mangyari bago mo simulan tong bagong connection na to. Or baka may kailangan ka pang tapusin na past connection para totally makapag-invest ka sa new person. You're not being true sa sarili mo. Okay? Kung meron mang business ikaw na hindi mo na masyadong gusto at meron kang sinisimulan na bagong business, I feel kailangan mong mamili para makapag-focus ka dito sa bagong business na gustong-gusto mo. Okay? Makakatanggap ka ng balita. Oh my gosh. You still feel attached. Hindi ka pa rin nakakawala sa isang energy na gustong-gusto mo that you are still passionate about. Or meron kang isang tao na kinukonsider mo to be a potential wife or husband na hindi yung kasama mo right now. Kaya ka nalilito. Leo! Okay. Yeah. Okay? But for some of you, may mga magde-decide na, kaya mag-ingat sa decision. Baka kasi mag-decide ka bigla na tapusin tong present connection at bigla kang pumasok sa bagong connection. So, hinay-hinay lang. Okay? Baka kung ano yung hinahanap mo, magulat ka na lang, baka hindi mo rin makita doon sa isang connection na pupuntahan mo. You know? Dahan-dahan, mag-isip mabuti. Okay? And that is the Leo reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your June reading. PM me for your personal reading and kung paano ka magkaroon ng blessed and ritualized na crystals.
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa iyo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.